Hello guys, welcome to our channel Learn Maths. Iga imibare in Kinyarwanda. Here is a question of limit. If the limit as x approaches minus infinity of a plus a reciprocal of x over a minus a reciprocal of x altogether for minus x is an exponential of minus 1. Then find the value of a. The value of a is it negative 3? Is it negative 2? Is it half or none of these? Let's keep watching to the end. Before starting, I want to remind you to subscribe on our channel, to like, to comment, and share our videos. Okay, let's start. We will use the fact that the limit as x power infinite of 1 plus 1 over x power x is e. We use this fact. Okay, we want to transform this in this form. Okay, let's start. X power minus infinite a plus 1 over x over a minus 1 over x power minus x is equal to the limit x approaches minus infinite. Let's divide on numerator and the denominator by a. We have 1, a over a is 1, plus 1 over ax over 1 minus 1 over ax power minus x. You see, we have 1 here plus something over x. This is what we are going to do here. We are going to transform this in this form. How will we do this? Let's do a long division. We have a plus 1 plus 1 over ax. Here we have 1 minus 1 over ax. Let's put 1 here. This times this, we have 1 minus 1 over ax. Then negate. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 over ax minus 1 over ax will be 2 over ax. Okay, that's why 1 plus 1 over ax over 1 minus 1 over ax is equal to 1 plus 2 over ax over this 1 minus 1 over ax. Hope is this. And this is equal to, here we have 1 plus 2 over ax times ax over 1 minus ax is this. Okay, this is equal to 1 plus plus 2 over 1 minus ax. We are going to do substitution. We let y be 2 into 1 minus ax. Our a, we need to find x. Y over 2 is equal to 1 minus ax, and our ax will be 1 minus y over 2. So x is equal to 2 minus y over 2a. Okay, hope is this. The limit will be when x approaches minus infinity, our y will approach positive infinity. Y tending to infinity of, we have 1 as it is here, plus this stuff is y over 2, a minus 1 minus ax is y over 2, so it's 2 over y over 2 power 2 minus y over 2a. What is this value? Okay, in substitution, I would let this be 2y, I'm sorry. 2y be 1 minus ax, so y will be this over 2, and here ax has to be 1 minus 2y. X is equal to 1 minus 2y over a. Hope is this. Okay, this is, here is, this is 2y, and our x is 1 minus 2y over a. Okay, as you see, this will simplify with this. We have limit y approaches infinite of 1 plus 1 over y power minus 1 over a plus 2y over a. Okay, here we have limit y approaching infinite of 1 plus 1 over y power minus 1 over a times the limit y approaches infinite of 1 plus 1 over y power 2y over a. Okay, replacing this by infinity, we'll be having 1, because 1 plus 1 over infinite, 1 over infinite is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 times power any number is 1. Okay, so this is 1, and you stay with this. It's a limit y approaches infinite. This can be written as 1 plus 1 over y power y all power 2 over a. Okay, so what is this? We've been told that this is equal to minus e power minus 1. And according to this and this formula, you see they are looking the same. That's why this stuff inside is e. So we have e power 2 over a, which is e power minus 1. Here, because the base are the same, 2 over a is equal to minus 1. This is to say a is equal to 2 over minus 1. Our a value is minus 2. Here is the answer. So our answer was B. Thank you guys for watching. Don't leave without subscribing. Don't leave without sharing, liking, and commenting on our video. Thank you very much.